what up? So, we actually about to go meet up with one of the boys. I'm trying to test out this camera, and he wants to get some shots. So, I'm gonna run over here and meet him in this parking lot. That's pretty dope. Only bad thing is that they give me 1 second. Only bad thing is that they are in business right now, and it's like an industrial kind of place, so it's not like an office building or anything, but still. So he wants to do some burnouts, so I said, you know, we got to do the burnouts and then get the fuck out of there. So we'll probably do some burnouts, get down the street, go into the gas station. I'll set up the cam, and then if he wants to do some rollers, we'll do that. If not, we'll just capture what he wants to capture and then be done with it. But yeah, definitely about to head out there right now.
A few moments later.
Gang banging, dope slinging, and thousands of black died in the hurricane. It's made in America, made in America, made in America. Crack babies, black slavery, and HIV entered in the late 80s. Made in America, made in America, made in America. So much trouble on my mind, the devil working overtime, cold nights, long days, really trying to slow my grind. Hell on earth, hellfire mixed with kerosene. The only way to balance the power is with a triple P. The hood is sizzling, running from the sizzling. George Bush is Satan, it ain't no in between. Well, what you call a fiend? I need food for my soul, where the collard greens? A lot of dreams die like a lot of things. Now life got you beat like you Rodney King. I ain't tripping, I'ma push that line. Use my mind, apply all I know to crime. Look.